Hi everyone, my name is Raymond. Today I would like to share with you a very important thing regarding Redbubble products, especially the coffee mug. Of course, when you want to buy a coffee mug, you want the design that decorates it to be on the both sides of this mug. And of course, it's better when you are holding this coffee mug with right or left hand like this. Okay, I think it is a flamingo design here and in different situations and in different positions. So I'm going to redbubble.com. Of course, as you know, after uploading your design, you have to put your design correctly on this templates, okay? And on reaching the coffee mug template, okay, you will see Redbubble allows you to put your design only on one side, which leads, of course, the loss of many sales of this required and awesome product. So in this video, I will solve this trouble with free tools and with super easy steps and without using any professional programs like Photoshop or Illustrator. Okay, first of all, you go below this default view. You can see the sentence download artwork template. Okay, click over here and let's see what will happen. You will see Google Drive where you can find two templates, PSD template and the PNG. And of course, PSD is directed for Photoshop. And as I said before, I will not use any professional programs. So we will focus on this template, PNG template. Okay, click OK. Okay, we just want to know the dimensions of this coffee mug. In this case, the standard mug, the high 1120 and the width 2700. Okay, you can write it down on a paper to remember it. Okay, so step number one, we have the dimensions of the template. Okay, step number two, we come back to Redbubble. We just have to use a screenshot tool. We want to take a screenshot of this template. Okay, you can use Nimbus, Lightshot, or any other tool that takes a screenshot. In my case, I use Lightshot. Okay, it is a free Chrome extension. Okay, but firstly we have to change this background color to a lighter one. Okay, to be clear, like this. Okay, go to Lightshot screenshot tool and take a screenshot of this template like that. Done. Save. Okay, so step number three, we are going to the next site. It's called Krello.com, and if you want to know what Krello is, Krello, it is a fantastic Canva alternative where you can make professional posts for social media platforms like Instagram, Facebook, Twitter to promote your products. And if you're wondering why I'm not using Canva instead of Krello, it is a good question, because Krello in the free plan, you can make a design and download your design as PNG with transparent background, and it's up to you. You can use Canva if you are a Canva Pro user. Okay, anyway, you go to customize size. Okay, from here you can put the dimensions. We have, okay, high 1120, width 2700. Okay, like this. Create design. From the left panel of Krello, go to my files. From here you can upload your design and the screenshot of the template. Okay, after uploading your screenshot and the design, just drag and drop your template or the screenshot, make it suitable for all the canvas like that. Okay, secondly, you can drag and drop the design. Okay, you can make sure that is on the line. Make a copy of it from here and make it in the opposite side like that. Okay, awesome. Step number four, remove background like that and go to download this design, as I said before, with PNG transparent background. Okay, download. Go back to Redbubble and replace image. Awesome. Just change background. Change background. Okay. Apply changes. So you have a fantastic mug with a design on its both sides. Okay. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you have any question you can leave it in the comment section. See you in the next video, and goodbye.